pushing that thing. What I'm so disappointed about our government is why. Okay, not even our government, but the forum sick. Why do we even have to sign a petition for that guy to be taken? Bathathe DNA yakhe?
Just because he's not a black
Just
person.
because he's not a black person. If it was a black person, bra, ngiyakutshela ngaba manje sikhulume enye into, ngaba sekaboshiwe if stepmother walo mntwana lo akathiwa akamtholi endlini. Sekathupha lo mntwana uphu ribotile. Ufuna sekafuna uribotile manje. Bathu ribotile sesikolweni wathi wataphuma. Aye esikolweni mafika esikolweni uthola ukuthi uribotile akekho. Umthole emarobotini. Amthole emarobotini uthe wona ribotile uzala amngena ngeyukati.
The time.
Le time lengena nomntwana ngeyukati. Guys, umuntu was mistakenly given 14 million. Nomuntu who was mistakenly given 4 billion. Billion.
Eyiphi enkulu lapho wokuqala imali.
Bese lo ophiwe i4 billion akaboshwa.
Uboshwa lo 14 million.
Kuboshwa lo 15 million.
Because yena umnyama.
Which one is this one? Sila. 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 Location. Sila. 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 Location. Sila. Ewe. Sila. FC. Mira. Eita. Hola. Don't rest. Boga. Let's roll. Woza. Just vibes. Hola. Live life. Hila. Location. Sila. Sila.
Ayikho le.
Ayikho.
Hayi, yamuza uKharishu. Kharish male ngoma le oreka ya Shantesh. Oh, skimi sami. Awu fere. Kapeja. Say my name, baby tato. Yeah, wafethu. Kwenzakalani sikade sihlapha sawo. Yeah, bafethu, welcome back bafethu. Njengomgogo ke we are back bafethu, just like not your father, we are back bafethu. Yeah, welcome back to We Are Here. #Sila podcast and comedy bafethu yazi. This is your host ke ayeye nakana la madi a monna msipidi khaitsa mapula na masakha chepis na boy. Ke mokale pheko se se gonga guys ko ke sha ke nna ke ngwana ke ya khala ka modidi ma tepe sa mtsi ya ke ja ke tshaba ditikeno ba ke khampa nako. Let's come every day mang record as ke senza.
Ngachava ngona sesilo swa vutomi.
Yeah. Isilo sakusaseka.
Swilo swa vutomi.
Yini isilo sakutuku?
Swilo swa vutomi, izinto zempilo.
Yini swa vutomi sibali? Izinto zempilo. Yeah.
Ngachava
Yenza lapha nje.
Yeah, nayito.
Ngingachava.
Ngachava ngona.
As always bafethu angihambi nge1. The captain of the ship is not here bafethu. If you know what the captain of the ship is not here, you know what it will be the resurrection day bafethu. Oh, it will be the resurrection day bafethu. Isipoko siyavuka from emathuneni siyobona emathuneni siyobona. Sivukile isipoko bafethu sihleli naso fanaka bafethu kilisila rula. Rula mo wasingugxekana ngikhuluma ngayo na the ghost man bafethu, ngikhuluma ngayo na the podcaster bafethu, the comedian bafethu, the writer bafethu, the thespian bafethu, not the lesbian, thespian, YouTube thespian, TikTok thespian bafethu. Ngikhuluma ngayo na the timing ongangana timing.
Indoda ibiza namhlanje ifikizo.
Yeah, indoda ibiza fanaka
ifikizo.
Ifika kusasa.
Ay mina ngifika izolo bahlala ngifika izolo.
Yeah, pero uthi skipani.
Ungachavi ngona sesishilo swa vutomi hayi ngikade wena.
Yeah, kwenzakalani in the world? Since sikhuluma ngocwecwe last week, what's the change?
The change mangizwa mina yazi ngidila ngama clip.
Yeah.
anginaso isikhathi selentuzane iskida ngapha yabona izinto ezinjalo
ya
mara ngibonile ngibone bathi ngizwe indaba ezibuhlungu kahle kahle ngibone indaba ezibuhlungu angazi ukuthi vari ngabuza kuwe ukuthi umawuleli kacwecwe uhlangane ne-accident.
Yeah, nami ngibonile. I saw it online, but I think it's true. It's true because of I saw people talking about on TikTok and on Instagram. But uthole accident la mama veka sesibhedlela. I don't know ukuthi she is out now or kanjani, but another thing mina ngibonile ukuthi bathi leya doctor, is it not a doctor man, that principal, that pure principal bathi lo muntu wefora moto atele laba bathatha forensic laba bathatha ama DNA bathi ucamba manga ukuthi uyithathile iDNA ku principal angayithathanga, only to find out ukuthi akayithathanga le DNA. Just imagine.
So yena bayenzeni kuyo yena lo muntu lo
U principal
yeah lo muntu lo
asazi ukuthi babamenzeni because I didn't read the full story as uphugugu sokugula mawukhuluma ubugugula lapho. Shout out to DJ Sbuba Fethu for him of fire.
hoy
This is cherry boom bafethu, cherry boom. Just imagine le phethe uma timing Flavortron bafethu la ka green boy bafethu ka robot boy bafethu robot phakathi. This is ginger bafethu, this is konjini le blueberry ne, this is blueberry bafethu, this is vitamin thing bafethu, this is what punch yini konje le passion pusher bafethu. That one is the original bafethu. Shout out to Stefina Pasha for the books bafethu. This is the Beat That Fear volume 1 and volume 2 bafethu. This is the Unstoppable Destiny, Unpredictable Footstep. This is the Unstoppable Destiny bafethu. Yeah, if you want the books you can scan the IQR code on the screen bafethu. Sorry for not putting the IQR code on the screen for last episode. Angazi kwenzakaleni, maybe bezingishayile, I don't know.
Back to ucwecwe ngaphina ngabona bathi shout out to uSomizi if vele uyenzile lento le and if uyenzile or uzoyenza. Shout out to her, to him ukuthi
all right, to her, to him into one angithi into one ithini plaga ngithi
okay asikho lapho mara okay yeah ukuthi willing uku donate for ama lawyer find ukuthola ijustice for ucwecwe.
Wow, that's great. I know Somizi she just don't let things slip away. Umuntu engimaziyo like Somizi is one of the artists abafana nabo DJ Kari, abo DJ Fresh, abo they are those people who are willing to help whenever they are willing. What I like about not only Usomizi but what I like about is South Africa ne. Le nto akacwecwe it shows ukuthi South Africa somehow we are united, but our unite sifuna ukuba united ngento ebuhlungu. I don't know why kufana nasemndenini sifuna ukuba united ngemncwabo, but mase kubele sijamule ngama Christmas we not united. Sifuna ukuba united ngesikhathi sokukhala. But I'm glad ukuthi some of the platforms on social media like TikTok or TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, they got that power ukuthi zingaphusha into ekanje efana naye kacwecwe. Just imagine there are people who are marching right now for justice of Cwecwe. There are people I think
who are striking.
Marching and striking is the same thing. Marching, striking, boycotting is the same thing.
Okay.
There are people who went from Limpopo from Pegasprop to Cape Town ngama bicycle just for justice for Cwecwe.
Wow, that's a great thing.
That's why I'm saying, bruh, South Africa is united. Black people, I'm so proud of us, the way we are pushing that thing. What I'm so disappointed about our government is it, why, okay, not even our government, but the Forum Sick, why do we even have to sign a petition for that guy to be taken, batati DNA yakhe?
Just because he's not a black
just
person.
Because he's not a black person. If it was a black person, bra, ngiyakutshela ngaba manje sikhulume enye into, ngaba sekaboshiwe if uye lo muntu. If ngaba akafuna ukuthatha iDNA ngaba sakaboshiwe clar. But because of his white, and it's not because of his racist or asikho racist iqiniso. Because of his white, lento lesa isithatha ama process abhaye basisa lena la sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Why angathatha iDNA? If akafuna ukuthatha iDNA makaboshwe lo muntu lo. Mina khona makayithatha ngenkani kanti yini emvimbayo ukuthi ikuthi nje sengathatha i-DNA.
Esingithatha i-DNA kuye lo muntu lo.
Hawu, singahlulwa umadala la. Sifuna i-justice yomntwana 7 years. Ngeke sihlulwe umadala. Sifuna i-justice yomntwana 7 years.
Naye at the first place bekacabangeni azayenza lento le kumntana omncane ongaka.
Lo madala lo phela sasikho ukuthi lo madala. Mara just
Mina
uyasolisa.
sengisho because yasolisa wayala kungasuya. Ngithi mo innocent uvele uyenza everything.
Exactly.
Yena manje makala so uye ozipha ukusolisa.
Oyenza ukuthi thina sisole ukuthi there's something fishy there because of ngeke wale nge-DNA. Why kumele wale nge-DNA abantu baphana ngama-DNA?
Wow.
There is this photo I want here where besakhuluma ngento bathini
Ngosomizi.
not hayi uyamthanda Somizi ne.
Angithi uthi besisakhuluma
Sikhuluma ngoSomizi sakhuluma ngocwecwe. After Somizi sikhuluma ngocwecwe safuna uSomizi wena ngeke.
Angithi wena uthi besisakhuluma sisuka kule topic le ka Somizi lentuzana ulinga ukuthola i-best lawyer South Africa for i-justice for ucwecwe.
Yeah.
So mina bengithi usaseda.
Hayi. Mina ngisafuna ukubonisa enye iphig ne. Like angithi besakhuluma ngayo nalento lokuthi ngabe kuumuntu omnyama ngabe sebambophile. Yeah, nayi le pig le. People will see it there. So the pig le uyabona umuntu omhlophe nomuntu omnyama ngithi. Lentombazane emnyama. So I'm gonna elaborate to you ukuthi lentombazane emnyama what the fuck. Uthi lentombazane emnyama ukuthi ubani. Lentombazane le emnyama ile ntombazane le yathola. Let me quickly go there.
Okay.
Yeah. It says here, the one said pig is of Sibongile Mani, a student who was mistakenly paid 14 million by NSFAS, of which she spent 800,000, and today she was found guilty of theft by court and now waiting sentencing. You understand? Lentombazana lentombazana black le mnyama ngibonise yona, the black girl.
Yeah.
But they mistakenly given her NSFAS 14 million. And wayenzani waspenda 800,000 phezulu kwale mali le. I-court same found guilty manje sekamele ukuthi sentence. Shothi wenzeni umbonile ukuthi udlele mali, okay, we found you guilty, if you're not paying then we're going to sentence you just like that.
Okay, mina into ngicela ukuyibuza ekuqala. I-fault kabani lapha?
Nami party is I think I don't know how NSFAS operate because I have never got the NSFAS. I mean, I've been told a stipend. But if stipend sum, what I know, if they say stipend sum is 5,000, I know which kumele kungene 5,000. If kungena more than that money, I should also ask myself to when's again. But somehow because of is a new money, I'm broke now. There's no need. And if ngibona nina ningifakele i-10,000 instead of 5,000, ngibona after 1 day or 2 days ningafoni ngitshela ukuthi you did a mistake, that means is my money.
Yeah, maybe i-blessing or like yakho.
Exactly. Bathi uNkulunkulu akaphi ngezandla nangenyawo uyakhabela. Uyangithola? So i-mistake la mina ngibona ngathi yena NSFAS. How do you do such a mistake upha umuntu i-14 million yonke?
Na uthola ukuthi lo mntana lo yabantu uzele esontweni uyathandaza uyizela kuma fasting makabona le 14 million uze ayole nto za
uNkulunkulu ungiblessile hamba ayisebenzisa le 100,000 asifuna ukwazi ukuthi I mean 800,000 sifuna ukwazi ukuthi wenzeni but bukuyimali esebank yakhe imali I believe ukuthi yakhe because uyithole ku government le government imphile le mali ukuthi nayi imali enesifase mina
nayi imali
uyangithola bese le pick up is 2 the 2N pick is
a white man.
He's off a white man. He's off Eskom coal supplier Quentin Van de Beek or the Book, who Eskom mistakenly paid 4 billion.
Wow,
4 billion. Just imagine. And Eskom white CEO and Eskom's white CEO right released a statement that they couldn't take any action to recover that this 4 billion. And will not pursue any arrest or court case against Quentin. The matter was closed, and just like that,
just because he's a white person.
Yeah, Sholite, yes. Quintin is white and is the youngest dollar billionaire in South Africa through supplying coal to Eskom. And Quintin has no qualification beside matric. Most black people have never even heard of Quintin, but Sibongile fame reveals that of the Pope. Yeah, and yes, Sibongile is black and it's
Like racism.
So who's racist la? Is the person who posted lento or is
Law.
law?
Mean, I
Straight.
feel like law is racism.
Straight. That's why if you are always a black person, you'll always be a suspect. A black person will always be a suspect.
Hey.
And a black person, because of thina sinamali, would always go down ngento as simple as ngafixeka. But now umuntu, guys, umuntu was mistakenly given 14 million. No muntu who was mistakenly given 4 billion. Billion.
Eyiphi enkulu lapho wokuqala imali?
Bese lo ophiwe i4 billion akaboshwa.
Uboshwa lo 15
Kuboshwa
million
lo 15 million.
because yena umnyama.
Just imagine. So I think ile nto bengisayisho nge-country yethu ukuthi thina we think ukuthi abantu abamnyama we still got it le country yethu. Mangathi check thina baba, we only have freedom.
Eh.
That's what we have.
And
mangikhezi
poverty
ngisho
ngeke sisuke.
exactly mangikhezi ngisho ngithi government yethu ngo-19 not actually our government but Nelson Mandela. Angithi abantu abaningi abayazi history but today I'm gonna elaborate or I'm gonna say this to you. uNelson Mandela wasithengisa. Mangathi uyacheck.
Kanjani
Mina ngithi ngimona as a hero, awenza ngehistory.
Yeah.
uNelson Mandela ne if ngaba angagreeanga nabelungu ukuthi 50-50 ngaba sikho kule situation.
Mara ngezinye indlela asisiza.
Kanjani?
Ngiyabuza.
Uyangibuza la
ngiyabuza.
yakasizanga bra. We were gonna get our freedom. Kwenzakalani la vele? Besizoyithola freedom yethu without ukuthi sibaphe i50-50 nathi sithathe i50-50.
How?
Abantu okay. Kufana nomuntu ozongitshela ukuthi uMandela usilwelile. uMandela usilwelile for that moment. Ahamba bambamba ayejele for 27 years. Usilwele kanjani ayejele for 27 years because bekasejele lo muntu. Abantu basilwele ba continue balo la ngaphansi which is Winnie Mandela. Umuntu olelele country le who stand up for this country, it was Winnie Mandela. It was a woman. Ngiyanibona manihlezi nithi hey women bamosha ngokuphaba abafazi ama rights. Abafazi lama rights bawa-deserve because they fought those rights. Abafazi bamacha from their homes to Union Building bayo-confronta abelungu ukuthi lento liyenza is a bullshit or whatever it is. So ngisakufuna ukutshela ngoMandela. uMandela ngithi they were fighting for freedom. Besinama outside ambassador konje babizana ngesihistory nkhosi ukuthi babizana ngesihistory labantu laba silwela outside the country. Uyangithola yeah bahamba baspreada i-apartheid ukuthi eSouth Africa kuna apartheid kanje nakanje. So abantu abangaphangi bo Germany bo America bo yini aba-investile ku South Africa, they wanted to withdraw their investment because ini kuyaliwa eSouth Africa imali ngeke isayingena because kuzokhala amabhombo kuzokhala ibhamu kuyaliwa ngeke kusaba nesikhathi sokusebenza. You understand? Abelungu babona ukuthi okay labantu laba abamnyama because bayalwa asiyenzeni asithathe sibaphe i-freedom, sithathe lento abayifunayo sibaphe i-freedom nathi sithole i-freedom yethu kube 50-50. Uyangithola? Bathatha uMandela which and labantu laba bashona abo Sisulu abo bani babashiya etrongweni. Phela uMandela nina you think ukuthi uMandela was arrested for 27 years. No, he was arrested for 18 years and ngalo nyaka lo 18 ilaba kaya in and out aya aphuma because of in abelungu bebembrainstorma ngale 50-50 abakhuluma ngayo uthe hey sizoniphi freedom bese kuba kanje nakanje na economy izobamba yiwo uzoba president kanje kuzolida umuntu omnyama. But behind the scene umuntu omnyama kalidi kulida bona labelungu laba they are still ruling. Yes, there are people who are called white they are hypohymas, I think. Yeah, hypohymas. People who control mines, minerals, they are whites. People who abaphethe wonke mine la South Africa
abantu abamhlophe
abantu abamhlophe ila
maye South
Ramaphosa
Africa
akhulele khona.
akekho umuntu omnyama onemine.
Umtsipe I don't want to say Umtsipe unama mine. I think ukuthi he owns some shares ama mine. Lama mine lawa behind them they are white people. Yonke business that's why bathi yonke business eSouth Africa oyibonayo. Noma ingaba neface umuntu omnyama but behind it there is a white person oyiphakamisa because of thina abantu abamnyama we got the ideas but we don't have the economy. We got the freedom but we don't have the economy. That's why bamropa kanjalo Mandela bamnikele freedom le babamphanga economy because of labantu laba bekaboshinabo bengayifuni i50-50. That's why bebathatha yena uMandela bambuyisa ekugcineni bagcina bamthatha ehlala nabo ama white hypohymas kunabo bathini beside ama hypohymas bazibalizane na shit I forget about them ilaba baphethe ama politics ke lapha ukuthi ilaba basusuzume esihlalweni because thina we think ukuthi uZuma waqosha uMalema. uZuma waqosha uMalema. uZuma waqosha abantu abamhlophe esikhalweni because of he was stepping toes that he wasn't have to step. Bese engene epentini abelungise uma songena la badla khona uyobancintsha isingo bayakhipha
bekazi
bekahlakaniphile uZuma bekangayi yena straight bekathumela ngamagupta bangathi check bekathumela ngamagupta because amagupta anemali that's why namanje mina ngisamfrustana le mntala laba bathola hlile uZuma is a smart guy that guy
uthanda ukushaya impande mngane ngiyadlala
awumtshela ka konje besukupha asingene kune topic esiyekile last week engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo is a story of Ribotile Moloto who got killed by her stepfather.
Let's bothi sochubeka ngaso soqala ngaso
so awuphuze lapho kwenzakala ayikho mnandi if ayikho mnandi le
bathini nabahlali bayabona ukuthi hawo ngiloko bathi ukurecommend mnandi
ya recommend awuphuze
hoy
shout out to Lola Ribotile Moloto ne so Ribotile Moloto ngiyakutshela we Ribotile Moloto is a girl yazi kwenzakala ngoRibotile Moloto
yenzakaleni
othi one day makabuye esikolweni athola stepfather sakhe I think the stepfather stepfather athola stepfather sakhe si argue ngamagama nomama akhe futhi le stepfather sibonisa ngathi sifuna ukumshaya so lo mntwana ayenza aphakamela umama akhe afika khuluma nolaba baka ukuthi hayi kumama wata lo bavangala hamba makahamba sasa uyabuya lo baba ubuya uthi uphu lena stepmother kodwa makuba sibiza abantu sekafuna lo mama mafika mafuna lo mama le stepmother walomntwana lo akathwa akamtholi endlini sekathupha lo mntwana uphu Ribotile ufuna sekafuna uRibotile manje bathi uRibotile sesikolweni wata phuma aye esikolweni mafika esikolweni uthola ukuthi uRibotile akekho umthole eMaribotile amthola eMaribotile uthe wena Ribotile uzala amngena ngeyokati
the time
le time lengena nomntwana ngeyokati wena ukhulumela umama wakho wathi lesisebenzisa umama wakho what just imagine bro I just think ukuthi ngibhalile ukuthi
like ukuqala usayaphi wena uyi stepfather emizini yabantu unema enga
abanye abantu banama enga bazi ukuthi banawo ama enga at least I know ukuthi I got enga
the usho ngakhona ne le enga leya phela angithi umele umama wakhe ahamba phela uthole isikhathi sokukhula down makaphumile
makahambile cause ube nesikhathi sokukhula phela into leyenzeke the same day ubulale uRibotile the second day
uthole isikhathi ulele lo muntu hayi
manje ngisho ukuthi enga or satanism or ubuyini if bokubu enga if phela no angazi if mara some people cannot forgive if boku enga ngabe ifulele akhula down asicabanga kusasa beyazoya ayocelisa ku baby bahlale ezabantu abadala phansi bakhulume ngayo le ndaba
Juthi kahle yena ukwakho Shithi makaya emzini bekayobulala kwasakhe.
sho ukuthi bekayibulala lo if bekayibulala sasani ngoba bathuthola ugogo nobani bani wayangabulalanga bona
Oh kushuthi bekafuna
sho ukuthi bekafuna lo mama nalo mntanakhe yena i-aim yakhe
like abashonga ukuthi like bayenzeni beba-argue ngani.
la the story abashongo because bavele babhala ukuthi Rebotile found her mother arguing with the guy what njani dambana no njani
Mara nakhona ukubulala kusasa kwakhona come on.
yazi kuboneni askis bohle angikhe ku Rebotile check na ngizononisa ene screen uyekena nane ukuthi yani manje no tears we
Hayi we. Awe. Come on.
yabona ukubheka amaphiki mina ngifuna nama-topic
Angeke kazama.
is it possible though is it possible
I'm not a girl, I don't know. Mara like uyabona leyo like it's obvious ukuthi ukujola naye it's another thing.
kunabanye abantu baphethe imirengerenge la ngapha ayifuna ayikanje ngiyakutshela
Awu. Hayi mina
sisakhuluma
mina ngisasomntana angizazi lezinto angisasomntana mina bafihlala hayi angizazi lezinto ayishela. Abesasikhuluma ngalo sathani lo lo step daughter sakhe.
hey what kind of a guy nakhona mara mina majitana ngimangaza man
Nakhona ukubulala nako. Just imagine ukubulala nako.
Abantu banesibindi sibali abantu banesibindi la ngaphandle sokuthi babulale mina nyazimangala ukuthi labantu laba bayithatha phela lesibindi singaka ukuthi ungabulala ungazi umedara umuntu uthatha umese especially for umntana omncane uthatha umese uhlaba umntana omncane until dead sibali
omncane kangaka
guys
come on sakhuluma ngokubulala ngibone istory saka umntana ka the famous Mseleko umntana wakhe wathi ku investigation ye murder
lo mntana lo
umntana kaMseleko umpumelelo
kwenzakaleni
like bathi there was a guy ozile lapha bathi KwaZulu Natal azofuna one of the umntana kaMseleko uthole umuntu osebenzayo domestic worker khona lapha ambuze sathi ngamthola bathi he was an armed intruder
lo muntu ongenile
lo muntu ongenile loya so uthole i-domestic worker ambuzisa ukuthi ngamthola umntana kaMseleko oyi-1 na la domestic worker leya yapressa i-alarm yokubiza ulentuzana umpumelelo umpumelelo umntana kaMseleko uthe makafika umntana kaMseleko akasabuzanga asho ngenhlavu and they said they said the intruder was shot multiple times and bathi more thing uMseleko uya-improve lento leyo yokuthi yokuthi umntana wakho udubule leya intruder leya
uyayipraise
uyayipraise.
So let me get this straight ngifika ekini ne ngifika ekini ngithi ngizofuna uhlala and then i-cleaner iyakushayela alarm sure ngithola i-cleaner ngithi ngizofuna uhlala i-cleaner yokushayela alarm lapha ukuthi kunomuntu yakufuna la uyayehla wena wahla kwa
multiple times not one multiple times
sure so without ukuthi ngisho igama or ngizofuna nor into engitaka ukuthi bazane labantu or kanjani
like I don't know like nakhona ngingamblamer ngingaphinda ngingamblame at the same time ngoba the intruder was armed.
Or the intruder was armed.
Yeah.
Show to the muntu lo. Okay. According to my perspective, let me just put my mind there.
Yeah.
Show to the muntu lo. Ungene emzini kaMsamsele.
Yeah. Angazi ukuthi umfune rudely or nicely or ukhiphe isipamathi ukhona
Into engisho ukuthi not even rudely or nicely but show ukuthi ungene ngale yasiphethe kahle.
Yeah.
Athi uphumuza. Not bathu bani
No,
mfana.
umpumelelo. Umpumelelo.
Bathi uphi umpumelelo asiphethe kusho ukuthi. And then lo mama ngokuthuka abhazi alarm yakampumelelo.
Yeah.
Umpumelelo maybe une camera. Asazi.
Yeah.
Or maybe le alarm le yambize ngayo isetwe for ama emergency ukuthi makukanje kusho ukuthi kuyashuka.
Yeah.
Ontwana phuma yena phethe kwa. So hey kuningi. Into engizibuza yona ukuthi amapolisa bavulile icase or kwenzakalani?
Yeah, bavulile icase bona amaphoyisa. Baphinda ithi ngokufundele sona le story lesi nganona. Uzos understanda kahle.
Yeah.
Or ngokuphi usifunde wena.
Oh yeah.
Uzos understanda kahle. Yes. Zoloku yathi.
Ngicala la kumpumelelo. Onyale or nyale.
Uyale.
Usibindi. She unesibindi ngempela.
Arti urkisa homorkisa, urkisbidi.
Alese sengigubho. Kutubula umuntu ngamapuleta ngaka.
Hey.
Barumpumelelo Sibindi Mseleko. The son of a well-known polygamist and a reality TV star Musa Mseleko is being investigated in connection with a murder case after a fatal shooting at the family's residence in Umzumbe, KwaZulu-Natal. Konjuthi nyale or nyale? Nyale.
Yeah.
According to KwaZulu-Natal police, a 24-year-old man was shot and alleged during an alleged confrontation at the Mseleko home. The man described in a report as an armed intruder. They reportedly entered the property demanding to see one of Musa's sons. A domestic worker raised the alarm, prompting Mpumelelo to reportedly confront the intruder. Police spokesperson Colonel Robert Ninchuyenda. Alo, Robert ubiat matata. Why lentele? Robert Ninchuyenda confirmed that the intruder. But to confirm it, that the intruder was shot multiple times allegedly by Mpumelelo during the confrontation. He demanded to see her employee's sons. Okay. Understand. Ubani udemande ukubona employee's son. Oh, yeah, okay. The woman screamed for help. Her employee's son responded to her call and shot the man. Okay, when a man he demanded to see her employee's son.
Yeah.
The woman screamed for help. Her employee's son responded to her call and shot the man. Yeah, understand? Shothi le ifike ngamasimba ngada.
Yeah.
Lo mama scream athi ncedani help.
Press alarm.
Untwana afika. Wa kusho ukuthi akekho wrong untwana ke.
Yeah, ne
Ifika njalo. Sho ukuthi akekho wrong.
Ufike ngendlovisi.
Kusho ukuthi untwana ufike ngendlovu yangena. Indlovu yangena.
Yeah, indlovisi yangena. Indlovu ukuphi lo mfana lo? Ngiyamfuqa.
Wabakhona abafazi abangakusitshela ukuthi yini namakazela manje ngizomkhomba manje uyamazi
ngasikhathi ibheka usibindi ibheka unesibindi esiphelele ngaleso sikhathi ibheka kancane
esebindi
uthe isibindi sani
asekujokela ikesina somuntu ufile la umuntu ufile la thina
Amor, bekaphi? Bekaphi kuSibindi?
Asilima straight.
Bekaphi kuSibindi yena?
Bangazi ukuthi uSibindi unesibindi ngempela.
Kokuqala okay. Angithi ufike ngedlovisi. Bekayoyenzani yena?
We don't know. Wasazi ukuthi babhalile or kanjani mara vele if bekaye ngengqovu yangena, if his intention was to kill the boy, then why did he want to kill that Mselokosi son?
Unani yena? Why?
Maybe umthathele umfazi ngoba kaMselokosi siyabazi badume ngepolygamy.
Mhlawumbe.
We never know.
Ungambulala umuntu wona for ukuthi uthathe umfazi.
Face fede.
Mina ngeke.
Labantu bacwele.
Mfethu.
Labantu bacwele ukungila amadoda basayiba kumele basishare. If uyahamba makahamba uyothola enye phambili asabathi hawo
hamba juba bayochutha phambili.
Vula la juba.
Bayochutha phambili.
Oh. Umuntu wangaza afuna ukuzibulala. There are many of people who try to kill themselves because of babadampile, because of umfazi yamshiya. Bra. Le stress leso siyeke siyostressele enye into phambili. You are better off than her. If akasakuthandi amngela, okay, uzophatha lese stress for iviki, for a month, but you'll be back to your track, bra.
Uthi ngiyagowa.
You'll be back on the game. Ya uzogowa ugowe, but you'll never go forever, bra. Hawu.
Nakhona lo muntu abakuzalanga naye man. Wenzela into yakho la empilweni.
Pastor Sikiti once said ngiyamthanda uSikiti. Once said ukuthi whatever the situation that you come across, you must always remember ukuthi it's not the first time being here. And ukhuluma iqiniso. Yonke into ayiqali ngawe, ayiqali kwenzeka empilweni yakho.
And ayigcini ngawe futhi kuyenzeka.
Besides ukucina ngawe, if ulahla iphone today, you must know ukuthi you were born without this thing. You were born naked, sibale ubambe ifuture yakho kanje. You were born naked. If khona manje bakuthathela impahla, it's fine. It's not the first time not having clothes. You were born without clothes.
Mangiphuma naked.
Born naked without even having pockets of having money. Khona manje awunamali uyahamba uyosacrifice for in. It's not the first time not having money. You were born without having money, bra. Each and every situation in your life is not the first time yenzeka lento le, just accept. Umuntu mela bephast.
Ane emarabiza baskema.
Mara lo nyamazi.
Si
Asibele back to Mseleko. Oh, what abantu? So yeah guys, ngizingishilo ukuthi anikuzile lento engifuna ukunitshela yona first time. So mina I think ukuthi lo mfana kaMsamseleko akekho wrong. Because if that guy came into the house, not
nakhona kwakhe kuseyibo lapha.
Yeah, yabona into enye wrong hayi ukuthi umlandelele kwakhe. Into ezosurvive ngaye ecourt futhi ukuthi lo muntu ngilandelele kwami mina ngimdubulile. And another thing ukuthi lo muntu ukuze ngimdubule i scream for help abona ukuthi lo muntu lo is armed. That's why nami ngiphume ngesibhamu ngadubula. Unless if leso sibhamu asikho emthethweni, then he have to go to jail. There's no way.
Kanjalo nje.
Yeah.
Mara is not wrong. Akekho wrong?
No, yena akekho wrong for defending, protecting him and the helper. So what I don't understand
nakhona i-employee yakhe you must ukuthi am-protect.
Akuse yakhe kababa.
Mara kusekibo kufanele
lapha kwakho lapha mase labaqashi laba kusobakho bakamoyana noma makamoyana awuna abaqashi wena. Unabaqashi anginze example.
Okay.
Ngitshela into engikutshela yona ukuthi akusebakhe lo mfana labaqashi bakababakhe.
Yeah.
Mara right for kumprotector because of usebenza kibo lo muntu.
I get it now.
But he is a grand administrator got arrested for corrupting in Rustenburg.
That's why ngayitholi 350 mina.
Noma ngitholi ngafana. Ewe barika.
That's unlike
Mara leyo akusile 350 lana bathi isasa Grant Administrator Boipeelo Eugenia Ramafuko, 42, was arrested on Tuesday, March 6, 2025 by Hawks, a serious corruption investigated team, on charges of corruption. The arrest follows an accident in December 2024 when a 33-year-old pensioner went to SASSA office in Mugwase to apply for his old age pension grant. Ramafuko allegedly demanded 3,000 in exchange of processing the application, with the pensioner agreeing to pay the amount of his first pension payout in February 2025. Reports indicate that the first pension payout was deposited in the victim's bank account in February 2025. The suspect demanded the money. The pensioner complied and sent his daughter to go and withdraw 2,000 to pay the suspect, who became agitated. Who became agitated? Became agitated, it means actually irritated or getting angry when the amount she demanded was not paid in. Shothi vele manje kumele vele after lapho ngicoce ukuthi le gama leli lisho kuthini. Manje ngisebenzisa kabuhlungu.
Ngisazi silungu.
Kumele siye lesigela lokungene kiso silande school fees.
Hayi, English is not my mother tongue.
The victim and his daughter made further agreements to pay the outstanding amount in the beginning of March 2025. The Hawks were alerted to the case and launched an investigation leading to Ramafuko's arrest after she received the balance from the victim. She appeared in the Mawase Magistrate Court in Friday, 7 March 2025, facing charges of corruption. Ramafuko was granted bail of 1,500 and the case has been postponed to 5 March 2025 for further investigation.
Kokuqala uphumile lo muntu.
I'm not sure right now ukuthi uphumile, but bamuphe ibail ye 1,500.
Lo muntu lo angisebenza kwasasa angeke ahlule ibail 1.5.
Into engicakayo mina ngalama
ngeke ahlule ibail 1.5.
If ukwazi ukuscama lo ma already lo, it means kunabantu ababhaye laba baskimile, unayo imali ukuthi she can pay. Excuse. She can pay lento le amara spule mama hayi kabi imofa yebhokisa nekena le mali. Mawufuna ukubhoka empilweni futhi momfaya uzobhoka.
Mawuna ulejule ukuthi awubhodli
futhi momfaya.
Thenga mofaya.
You will bhodla.
Uzorora nje. Uzobhodla umlilo.
Yeah. So when 13, if she was able to scam that old lady, it means bekahamba scammer wonke labantu laba, she can be able to pay more than 10,000 bail. I think she is a victim, the old grain, or I think the girl vele was investigated.
Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah, mara uphumile ngale 1.5 le
bail obvious.
And obvious uzomeka unama powers unemali uzomeka sure ukuthi isuleke yonke lento le yonke le accusation makuyi accusation.
Yeah, it can happen because Tala I used to think ukuthi my case iphethe ama Hawks na if the case le nothing will happen ziya bribe nazo these days lento lezi hayi allegedly ningangisuka allegedly baya
kahle ilo kahle la
asana law
iphuwa since kuphuma amabherede asana law.
Amabherede bakhiphele ukuthi ayenza umsebenzi ngithi.
Yeah,
mawenza umsebenzi emzansi abakufuna.
Kwamele sistrike nisibuyisa amabherede. Mara sophila kabuhlungu. Mara okay, mara in a serious note ane. In a serious note kwamele sacrifice sivote isitoyitoyeni sibuyisa amabherede. Uyabona masingabuyisa amabherede ne, I think maybe ilo yethu ngaba stable nyana ne poverty ingareduceka nyana.
Kanjani manje poverty?
Enye poverty iyenza ilo. Nabo bantu bayenza ubugebengu. abantu ukhipha imali 2000 3000 epocketini lakhe.
Masisho kanjalo ngiyayibona.
Uyayibona? Makungakhona amabherede abantu abaningi kudala bekusabiwa kudala. Kusana amabherede.
Amabherede bayadiscipline wonke umuntu. There was this old lady abakhe bamthola hamba ebusuku. Abuya from Ivory police station ahamba ukureport icase ukuthi bamtshontshele wati amaphoyisa amtshela ukuthi akunayo imoto kumele ukuthi uwalk. Old lady umagogo. Amabherede ahlangana naye ebusuku bathi magogo ubuya pha ebusuku athi ngiye police station ngireport icase bathi abanayo imoto kumele ngiwalk. Bathi ngena la emotweni yesikhomba lo muntu okutshela le nto le. Bathi bafike lapha bakushawanga mpama sale la Ivory le ya.
Ayiwena.
Oh uyadlala.
Uyabona that's why bagcine bawakhipha mara I think ayenze i-right thing. Just imagine lo amagogo la kube bamtholile bamrape
just imagine sibali.
Bekuzoyenzakalani?
Lento la iqala ukwenzeka nathi bakhe basenza the same thing bakhe basitshontshela lana ne. Sathatha amaphoyisa ukuthi siyovula istatement e-police station. Olaga.
Ubuso ba.
Namtshita ngimtshela ukuthi bangitshentshele yala. Awunislima.
Angilakho ukuthi Ay angilakho ukuthi ngiyade facial expression yakho.
Injani?
Okay. Bakutshentshele ngoba.
Bakhe basitshontshela yisibali bangena room to room nange i-RTP. Wonke la maroom phosho bashe 3 amaroom ay 3. 2 amaroom 3 amaroom bangena. Wonke bangena la maroom. Bathatha ama TV bathatha imali first pay yami ngisasebenze phepha. First pay yami bayithatha gone.
Yes.
Masike police station bathi siyobhalisa statement.
Abantu baphupha ukuthi ama first pay wabo bayenza something. Bona bayakutshontshela.
Yes, bye.
Oh.
Lezi nje. Lezi nje lecala la ngisibamba khona.
Yes. Man fika police station kambe.
Bathi sibhalisa statement sabhalisa statement. After kubhalisa statement lo muntu lo omunye esivaya naye ulimele.
Yo, bamkhawathile
la majita. Bethi ya la bengimamele ngayi. Bengimamele ngayi bathila na. Yabona mina le bengene nami ngayi. Ale yabesizwana sibale. Le kuyidolo bese ya share out. Umjita. Le umjita le asibale.
Wena bakhendlile ngekhe.
Sibale. Mina ithe bangena out.
Sure.
Yangibuza ukuthi sibale ivise apha. Ngiyamtshela ngithi mina ukuthi mina ngisasendana esigela mina anginazaka anginafokolo. Nefone ngiphe eke ngithi mabaza ba electric vehicle
gone.
Mara on. Ngithi mabaza bangena. Ngathi sithi si on marilere sibale. Iquality ayikho. Guys ugesi uvayile sisashuta nisibona singabonakali kanje.
Uhambile ke. Senze njani thethu? Ugesi gone.
Mara size hospitala la.
Eskom.
Kathi ba? Ugesi wahamba ngo2 bese kathi ba?
Ungeke uhambe ngo2 ugesi. Why? Eskom yethi phuwa.
Kanti ngenzani nami? Hayi. Guys nani niyabona sizozama ngaleli kodwa igesi ivayile asana ma light.
Ikhandlela lethu le.
Bese sakhuluma ngani?
Bo sangi-explainela ukuthi intwana esigila.
Intwana esigila?
Yeah kule bekubamba inkunzi.
Ngamtshela ukuthi ngimntana esigila mina futhi mana anginamali wathi ngithi ngizobangena ngathatha benginefoni nama tablet amafoni ayi2 ne tablet ayi1 ngathatha ifoni phansi kwamatrasi nale tablet phansi kwamatrasi ngayishiya le phone ipoporopopo ngayibeka la makumele ngithathe isipachi iyavela le part and isisona isipachi
Yo.
oh yangibuza le mali ngithi abaqeda ukubhadala irent nababhadala la kimi so akuseyami le mali lena athi okay sharp lala avala ngayi ngiyathi ukumnyaza
Bayishaya.
atile ngebhangi wathi manje masifika lapha sitshela ukuthi asinanayinenge akuna imoto ezozisa esibhedlela just imagine kumele thina sisifunele imoto we have to walk because of kuse police station la Ivory la sikunabantu esibaziyo because bengihlala ngala egoniwe kudala kunomuntu esimaziyo we have to walk ukuthi siyomvusa sikhaphe police station sambise lo mjida
just imagine qeda that's why bathi esikolweni mawusangena isikolo bathi know your career ukuthi ufuna ukuyenzani ungayenzi into ngoba ufuna imali or something do it out of love oyoy
yilo ke sowambile
buda lu
emadoda ngoba ugesi wambile ngaba sicale kudala lento lo two boys zonke lo nto hayi nyasho two boy simele from 12 size saqala ukupodcasta ngo1:30 sine 1 hour 30 minutes simele lo mjito kuze kuhamba namagesi just imagine marai mani mbona nimtsheleni nikhuzeni ukuthi mani bona ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani sibale wayangasho ukuthi ngeke uthe manje uyazi ukuthi useyibholi usho sesishoot ukuthi useyibholi amagesi avayile
mara le light mngani wami yazi kubuli bhekela ngapha kimi ngoba yimi ngimnyama
libeke sibono mse wonga beka le light spot mara kufani sine backup nyana siniphethe manje mina ngimnyama wesi guys asivaleni mayi kanje niyabona nani sizamile podcast athi episode 21 hayi bhadi leli futhi ungamalanga ukuthi ngisho nangegama ukuthi yini masithana singakhansela sibuye si-reshoot siyasazi thina shoot sikhansela mara ngeke siyiposta kanje akusiyithi i-government
hayi government vele
hawu sakhuluma ngazo zona lento lezi ukuthi asinananga ugesi cucu
khoma ukuthi thina asinamanga nayi ne-example yenzekile
lokukhala kuphi ore lama 3 win lawo kucharge lawo hayi okay bafethu I was gonna talk about the youngest 24-year-old teacher who have allegedly gone missing after being suspended for sexual harassment towards learners but we're gonna talk about that on the next episode bafethu ezinibona ukuthi case ayikho so asivaleni kanjalo shout out to DJ Sfu for imofire bafethu uthi moyivula ithi TikTok bafethu we've got our own reason ukuthi why singasayivuli bafethu niyabona izinto ziyafolwa yaskiza ngitshelile into ephoyisa niyabona izinto ziyawa bafethu so yeah shout out for Stefina Pasa for the unpredictable footsteps. This is the Beat That Fear Volume 2. This is the konjinle the unstoppable destiny bafethu so bafethu if you know that wena unalelo valo everything that you want to do uyasibuza ukuthi abantu bazothini you must have this book it's called Beat That Fear you're gonna beat that fear bafethu if you want to be motivated you want to be motivated like me every day speak about the verses or speak about motivation we have to have this one bafethu this is the unstoppable destiny it's all about motivation and verses inside bafethu I call it the book of life because it gives in life just like iBhayibheli bafethu
let there be light let there be life
awekho lama light othi wena let there be light liwani
angithi bokhuluma ngeBhayibheli
hayi angikhulumi ngeBhayibheli ngikhuluma nge-unstoppable destiny ngangitshele ngeBhayibheli
bona angithi bothi
ngangitshele ngeBhayibheli
lithi let there be light
wena uthi
le yithi let there be
life
yes
oh shala since ufika kule podcast yaqala ukukhuluma into enengqondo ngiyakutshela sithi we
okay
yeah bafethu asivaleni kanjalo bafethu le topic engiyifundela socala ngayo next week bafethu this teacher is from Bushbuckridge
la ngiphuma khona
le uphuphe Bush we
Bushbuckridge area ekamasuku
konje Bush isempumalanga le story lesibe ku Bushbuckridge media hayi le mara maybe nalo umuntu lo beBush say Bush but phela lo muntu lo bathi warase abantwana hey Sexual
thina
harassment.
sinothando.
Thando one.
Hayi
Thando one.
kahle inkinga ngale eMpumalanga like isisi combined. Kunamaswati,
kunamaNdebele,
yeah,
kunama
yeah,
mara ebush straight kunamashangana.
namaswati.
Amatsonga cannot amashangana amatsonga.
Namaswati.
Ebush.
Yeah.
Kuneswati elihlala namashangana namatsonga ebush.
Yeah.
Ba communicate kanjani lo muntu labantu?
Kahle.
Ebut.
That's why like maybe is
Okay. Ngifuna like ucommunicate nami ngesishangane ngicommunicate ngesiside. Like ubona ukuthi yenzeka lento ntazama.
Utazama. Wabona nitashizama. Nitashizama. Is
Hayi,
nitashizama.
ebut ntakupa mi.
Yeah.
Phela akuna first of all akuna swati line base. Akusijoke. Akuna swati line base.
Okay,
Yabona but wonke
mbamba.
manje ntakupa wena. Nacolisa futhi angeke. Okay, ntakupa ntakushaya. Phela bathi ngizakushaya.
Ngizokushaya.
Ngizakushaya.
Ngizokushaya.
Oh. Amandebele bathi ngizakubetha reg.
La ukuthi ngizakuchaka cha ngizakuchanga nkarakathi esitina soup.
Manje musilaba amazimu lawo.
Akusa amandebele aseZimbabwe.
Ngizakuchaka thesi.
Changa nkarakathi
amankazana.
Ameja serious case vele abiba zakufonela soon.
Yeah. Ungathi uye khona.
Wena ncavela mina ngiyakona ukukhuluma. Ncavela yazi ngibuya nga.
Ebulawayo.
Ngibuya le. Khatshana le eZimbabwe kwaBulawayo le ngikhuluma isikhalanga so vela ngibhulusi. Ncavela mina nginenkazana ngiphekela isitshwara nombhida le. Antshaya ponya yazeka
mina vele. Ngichaza ukuthi sise video labapolisi ayayibona rade. Masafika bafuna iPassport.
Hayi ngine ID mina ngaphisela ne-ID yami.
Uyazi la ID ukuthi uthele kanjani umbuluzela so wena. Umbuluzela nako manje mara ne-ID. Niyayibona? Hayi corruption.
Akusi corruption. Ngizobatshela ukuthi ngine shooting next month. Ngihambile ngayo research kwamele ngikhuluma
kanjani ngoba unawo bayakubona mphela iprove nayo.
Ngiresearchile ngithi
uresearchana ngoba uyasho manje ukuthi ubuya ngada ushilo.
Yeah ngiresearchile ukuthi kuvanga le bakhuluma
hayi. Ubuya ngada.
Hayi angibuyi.
Sithi siyavaya kumnandi sikhuluma noba kumnyame. Look at this disappointing. Sevala. Next week, good next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to share. Too. I said you way
Bai wa bala ngwanela modimo ga botse o lla sa mmarare vo.
O lla kaeng?
Mili
ke eng?
Mogwa ke tsebile.
Ga bibile wa gamiwa na go tla sa bya.
Mogwa e Brendan. Ore o bothathe mmele. O hwa le gola senna. La senna mama.
Ga ne monna o khwabya mosadi a khwabyang khole na o dire gore ke go kwena.
Wena lo ena gape man. O tla tlo o itea se go tlane mola o nkwa o motho mo golo marumo mga jaaka.
O reng se re gole?
Morwa ra molotsa gore pene ga isa ngwala.
Pene
mama. Nganga.
Oh.
Gape Brendan o re o etsa ga ilalo ntaputanaka. O tloga re o ile a re ga bane motho ya gagwe e nabile a re kere a mo psikološa a mo mona
pele o ka re kwa o bolela botlhoko bo boka wa thomalelo tša go psikološa le wena na
kere ke nyaka go tlhalosetsana
a re dole sa ditabatše
Sila location Sila c'est là, c'est là, c'est là.